Hi, my name is Stephanie Fleming and welcome to our Toss the Toxins Workshop. If you've ever wondered about improving your health or well-being, you're in the right place. Are you dealing with any health concerns or know somebody that is? Tossing the toxins just might be the right answer. Is anybody in your family or you on medications? Do you have any struggles with allergies, asthma, behavior issues? I had asthma for years. I had so much trouble breathing whenever I would be cleaning in my house. It was just terrible. Do you get frequent headaches? I did. And how about digestive issues? How about hormonal imbalances? Trouble sleeping? Memory issues? How about skin problems like rashes and things? Simply wishing for more energy. Tossing the toxins is going to address these issues and a lot more. And here's why it matters. Over 50% of Americans battle chronic illnesses. 50%. And they're linked to exposure to toxic chemicals in our daily lives. They're in our chemicals that we clean with. They're in our personal care products. They're everywhere. They're in our clothes that we wear, that they put, that they're shipped in. They're in everything. The risk in conditions like cancer, autism, and degenerative diseases is so alarming. This workshop is going to talk about the impact of everyday products in our homes, and it will offer a safer alternative. We have control over what we bring in our lives and in our homes, and we can turn our homes into a safer place for our families, our pets, and ourselves. Let's look into solutions that not only save time and money, but will safeguard our health and our loved ones' health. If you want a free sample, go ahead and fill it out and send a request. And I'm here for you. I'm happy that you're here, and let's get started.